Here are 3 great ways to serve sumac. One with salad, the other with chicken, and the last one is a pickling recipe. Slow and fast pickling process. For the salad, it all starts with the lemons and good quality olive oil. Start by squeezing some fresh lemons. The quantity of lemon juice you will need really depends on how big your salad is, so I'll leave that to you. Salt and black pepper to taste. A tablespoon of sumac. Then finally the olive oil. A few tablespoons. Mix all those ingredients together. And now you're ready to serve your dressing. This dressing can be served with many salads, crunchy salad, leafy salad, and also goes well with tabbouleh. For the chicken recipe, this is what I recommend. Get your rotisserie chicken from your favorite shop or restaurant. Then, using your hand, shred it completely and mix all the meats together. No bones should remain, only meat. The chicken should be well seasoned from the restaurant or shop. All we have to do now is add about a tablespoon of sumac. Mix all that sumac in, making sure that the chicken is covered completely and evenly. And that's it. You're done. We're ready to serve the chicken. You can either serve it with some pita bread, some buns, if you prefer, but today I'm going with tortilla. All of these food combinations are suggestions. Feel free to do any combinations you like and let me know your favorites down in the comment. We will start by basically serving it the chicken and the tortilla itself. Another way you might like to serve it is with a dash of mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise or Japanese mayo. The final serving suggestion is again with the Japanese mayo or regular mayo and the pickled sumac onions that we will make next. For this recipe, you will need red onions. The amount of red onions you will need will depend on how big your container is. For me, it was a small container that can easily be filled with 3 red onions. For the cut, you have 2 options. If your knife skills are great, you can just slice the onions into a julienne cut. Or you can go the easy way and just use a mandolin, and that's what I did. Be careful when using the mandolin. When you're coming toward the end of the onions, just leave it aside and cut it later with a knife. For the slow pickling process, we will mix equal amounts of water and vinegar. For my jar, I know the measurements. I will need 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vinegar. Then add in 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, followed by a dash of salt. Heat all those ingredients up until the sugar has dissolved completely without boiling the mixture. Set the mixture aside until it cools. The pot should be warm to the touch. It shouldn't be extra hot and you can't touch it. Then add in your sumac, about 2 tablespoons. All that's left to do is fill up your jar and pour in the liquid. Close it up and let it sit in a room temperature place for about 2 weeks. But if you can't wait 2 weeks, I have a quick pickling recipe for you. This one will be slightly different. I like it to be more on the sweet side. So, in this mixture, we did 1 part vinegar for 2 parts water. 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water. Then we added 5 tablespoons of sugar. Heat up the water and vinegar until the sugar has dissolved completely. Then add in your sumac. Continue heating it up without boiling. Fill up your jar of onions. Pour in your mixture. Wait for it to cool down. Once it's cool, you can close it up. This pickling process should be ready once it becomes at room temperature. And that's it. These are my 3 ways to serve sumac. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up and sharing the videos with your friends.